The future of the science lab is digital. Successful R&D labs of the future have a strong data culture and optimized workflows that serve as a solid foundation for faster discovery, continuous innovation, and future scaling. In data-driven labs, researchers are empowered to leverage complex scientific data, not just manage it, so they can focus their time on making new discoveries that drive business. Transformation of the traditional lab into a digital, automated lab requires more than integrating a one-size-fits-all technology. Enthought brings a holistic approach that changes people, processes, and technology, opening up an entirely new set of scientific possibilities. Enthought is the transformation partner of choice for leading companies in the materials and chemical science, life sciences, and semiconductor industries. Talk to our team of experts about future-proofing your lab today and accelerate what's possible.